Today we enter the magical, slightly messy, totally profitable universe of clay art, where ordinary dough-like lumps transform into home decor so adorable customers willingly hand over their money, sometimes without even asking the price. Imagine turning clay into funny plant holders with big googly eyes, fancy wall art that looks like it belongs in a museum, or tiny decorative pieces so cute that visitors pick them up, smile and say, "Where did you get this?" And that exact moment becomes your business opportunity. Clay art is soft, calming, low investment, and full of personality, which means every piece carries a human touch, an imprint, a fingerprint, literally, and that is exactly what customers pay for. And yes, even if your first attempt looks like something melted on the floor, someone somewhere will call it abstract, artistic, contemporary expressionism, or a spiritual representation of human emotion. This looks wrong now, but trust me, it will randomly look beautiful soon. Clay is like magic butter of creativity. You shape it, poke holes into it, pinch it, and suddenly it transforms into something beautiful. You don't need big machines, scary saw blades, or fire-breathing expensive workshop tools. All you need is your hands, some water, and a willingness to say, "Okay clay, today you will be a flower vase and not a potato shape again." Clay gives beginners confidence and gives customers collectibles. It sits proudly in living rooms, hanging on walls, on shelves, next to candles, next to books, and sometimes next to nothing because it already becomes the centerpiece. Picture this, tiny clay mushrooms laughing on your bookshelf. Clay frames with handmade textures. Clay magnet shaped like smiling animals. Clay spoon rests that say, "Feed me curry." Clay wall hangings shaped like moons, clay name boards for doors, clay refrigerator badges that look like mini portraits. And here's the funniest part, customers don't want perfection, they want charm. They want humor. They want personality. Imperfection in clay is not a mistake, it is a signature. Inspiration idea. Every slight dent becomes a natural fingerprint of creativity, something that machine-made decor can never copy. You're not just crafting objects, you're crafting joy. Now imagine promoting it like this, handcrafted, individually shaped, one-of-a-kind decor pieces infused with artistic soul and fingerprint heritage. Sounds like a luxury art exhibition, right? But no, you just shape clay while watching your favorite show. That is the beauty of clay. You relax and create and your customer relaxes and pays. Watch closely, this part changes everything. Watch closely, this part changes everything. Inside the world of clay art home decor, the possibilities are hilarious, inspiring, and profitable. Make funny clay cat planters where the pot sits inside the belly. Make clay candle holders shaped like sleepy cartoon characters. Make quirky trays shaped like clouds and waves. Make clay spoons shaped like musical notes. And the best-selling category, clay faces. Simple, minimal, elegant faces that look like handcrafted sculptures. These sell fast because customers feel like they just bought art that belongs in a modern gallery. And here is your inspiration idea. People love decor that looks emotional but soft, minimal but expressive, cute but also philosophical. Clay does that automatically. Clay nameplates are another jackpot. Imagine someone's door entrance having a cute clay plaque with their family name, decorated with mini flowers, cute animals, or symbolic shapes. People buy them because they feel personal. Personal sells. Customized sells faster. Emotion sells fastest. And clay gives you all three for free. Now let's make it even more entertaining. Picture clay character key holders. A small clay face holding a wooden peg in its mouth. Customers laugh. Customers post a picture. Customers tag you. Boom, free marketing. Even clay fridge magnets can become miniature comedy sketches. A little clay dog saying, "Stop eating." A tiny clay donut saying, "Eat me." A clay fridge magnet shaped like a refrigerator. Comedy inside comedy. Clay wall art is where things go premium. Premium means profitable. Textured clay tiles arranged into a mosaic. Clay leaves painted in pastel tones. Clay sun moon designs with shimmer. Clay celestial patterns are trending because people love cosmic vibes. Astrology, zodiac decor, moon phase decor, spiritual aesthetics. Inspiration idea, mix texture with symbolism and you instantly increase price. Don't skip this step or your piece may wobble. Now imagine faceless automation videos. Camera top-down, clay rolling sound, shaping noise, soft background music, subtitles, and finished piece rotating slowly on a turntable. Customers fall in love. Viewers feel peace. Website link gets clicked. Orders start rolling. That is the power of clay video content. You can even bundle clay products. Clay tray plus clay ring holder plus clay flower coaster equals gift pack. Gift packs sell at triple the price because they look like sets. And sets feel intentional. And intentional feels expensive. That's a secret psychological profit trick. One automation. Stamp patterns. Rubber molds. Rollers with textures. Even cookie cutters. Clay loves shortcuts. Clay doesn't judge. Clay listens. Clay stays obedient. Clay behaves better than wood. Now imagine selling clay home decor at events, markets, Instagram stores, Etsy stores, or small local boutiques. Clay items are lightweight, compact, and easy to ship. High profit, low shipping. Brilliant combination. Inspiration idea. Label products with cute names like Sleepy Moon Tray, Smiling Flower Wall Tile, Lazy Panda Spoon Stand. Names increase emotional connect. Emotional connect increases price. Your clay ornaments can even have motivational text embedded into them. Example. Don't quit. Bloom slowly. Stay soft. Create daily. Clay today, success tomorrow. People don't buy decor, they buy encouragement. Even better, combine clay with wood. A clay sculpture sitting in a wooden frame. A clay texture mounted on a wooden block. Now your product enters premium category. Add a satin tag with your brand name. Boom, high perceived value. Turn clay bowls into quirky personalities. Give them eyebrows. Give them eyelashes. Suddenly the bowl is not a bowl. It is someone watching you eat noodles. People love personality decor. Personality sells faster than functionality. Want a viral idea? Clay mini rooms. Clay little doors. Clay fairy windows. Clay fences. Clay miniature food decorations. Tiny objects break the internet because humans are fascinated by small things for absolutely no logical reason. Clay mirrors are trending. A simple round mirror glued onto clay border. Shape petals around it. Shape clouds. Shape feathers. Shape a galaxy spiral. People go crazy. Mirror becomes art. Art becomes income. Clay wall signs with Namaste, welcome, home sweet home, my workshop my rules, yes I eat snacks at 2 a.m. Humor equals viral value. Clay art becomes escape from reality. Customers admire that. Content viewers admire that. Buyers return. Art sustains. Brand grows. Emotional. Because even if your first piece looks weird, someone somewhere. You will call it handcrafted charm, and handcrafted charm is priceless. So the next time you hold clay, remember, inside that soft little lump is a full-time business crying to come out, and laughing quietly because you still haven't shaped it yet. Clay never wastes potential. Clay never wastes ideas. And creativity never wastes effort. Go shape something beautiful, something funny, something emotional. Because even if your first piece looks weird, someone somewhere will call it handcrafted charm, and handcrafted charm is priceless.